Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and tasty breakfast omelette. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's get started. So here I have a ripe plantain, I have 4 medium-sized eggs, and I have 2 tablespoons of scallion. So for this recipe, I love to taste the sweetness of the plantain in the omelette. But if yours is not very sweet, you can always use it still, alright? If it's not very ripe, I should say. And of course, we're going to use some salt and black pepper. So what I'm going to do now is to start breaking the eggs. So now I'm adding the scallion. Afterwards, I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. So you're going to add it to your liking. Whisk to combine all the ingredients together. So now guys, I'm going to peel my plantain. This is the way I like to slice mine. So it would be best to slice it this way. To the pot I added some oil. I added about 4 tablespoons of oil. So now I'm going to fry the plantains until they are golden brown. After they are finished frying, remove them from the pot. Let the oil cool down and remove the excess oil. So leave like a tablespoon of oil in the pot. After you remove the excess oil, you're going to heat up the pan again. After it has been heated, you're going to add the egg mixture into the pot. But before you add it in there again, before you add it into the pot, I should say, you're going to stir it. So here I'm adding it into the pot. So we're going to cook the egg on a medium-low flame for about 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, I am going to start adding the plantains. As you can see, guys, the egg is starting to cook. So now is the time for me to add the plantains. So remember, we're making an omelette, so I'm not going to add the plantain on all the omelette. I'm just going to add it on half of it. So I'm not going to be using all of the plantain. I like to eat it by itself, so I'm just going to add a few on it. So after you finish adding the plantains, you're going to clear the edges, then you're going to flip the omelette halfway. Afterwards, you're going to cover the pot and let it cook for another 5 minutes on a very low flame. The omelette is all done. So as you can see, guys, this is looking so beautiful. Yes. So if you do try this recipe, please remember to tag me on Instagram at recipe_Tamara. Also comment down below the video. Let me know what you think about it. Also share this video with your friends and family members. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos.